Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable split screen on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open any app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the recent apps button on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the drop down arrow on the right side of your application's name. Now from here, just tap on split screen. Now from here, just choose any other application to use split screen with. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the three dots at the middle of the split screen, you can swap between these apps. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on add combination, you can add a shortcut to this combination to your home screen. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the small bar at the top of your application, you can exit the app or switch to another app. Just like that. And this is how you can enable split screen on the Vivo Y200. On the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.